Assalamu alaikum grade 3, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing on school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I am going to conduct your English text class. Fine. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. The date today is 26 January 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay class, as you people must remember that I gave an explanation regarding the chapter The Lion and the Leopard. Fine. So today we'll do the written work of this chapter. We'll make a title page of the final term and the title page of the chapter, and some of the words meanings will be done. Fine. But first of all, let me have a feedback of this chapter. What happened in this chapter? Two animals are being discussed, the lion and the leopard, and it was a very hot day. Fine. And the lion was wandering into the forest. And what happened? It felt so much thirsty, and it was searching for a water hole, for a pond to drink some water. What happened in the meantime? He saw the water hole and he was about to reach there, about to drink some water. And in the meantime, the leopard also appeared, and he also wanted to drink water from the pool. And both had a very fierce fight. Fierce means very wild fight with one another, and they were about to kill one another. ठीक है ना, बिल्कुल एक दूसरे को मारने वाले थे. एंड वॉट हैपन एट द सेम टाइम a group of vultures came. What are vultures? Vultures are actually the birds having they don't have any hair on the head, on the neck, and they eat the flesh of the dead animals. गिद्ध जो होते हैं ना उनको बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना. So the vultures they surrounded both of the animals, the lion and the leopard, because they were thinking that whosoever is going to be killed the first, they will eat the flesh of that dead animal. So here, like watching these vultures, the group of vultures, the lion and the leopard showed their wiseness, and they stopped to fight. Fine. And the vultures had to go away then. So they were clever enough to not to fight, because they thought that if they kill one another, so one animal would be it will be eaten by the vultures. Okay, now class, what you people have to do, go to your bags and bring your English notebooks also. Fine. Open up your fresh page. Before that we have done the work of online classes, so leave that and come to the next page. Fine. And take out a very fresh page, take out the text portion, English text portion, and write down the date of today, 26 January 2021, and the day is Tuesday. And now make a title page of final term. It is the second term and this is also the final term, but you people make the title page of the final term. Fine. Now you people again come to the very next page, a fresh page, ठीक है ना. After the final term title page, take out next page, write down again the date, 26 January 2021, classwork, and the day is Tuesday. Make a title page of the lion and the leopard. I have tried to draw a good picture, how much I could. Now you try to make your page as much as presentable as you can. After the title page, come to again the very next page, a fresh page. This work is to be done, remember, in the English text portion, ठीक है ना. Don't attempt it in the grammar section. Now again write on the date, 26 January 2021, classwork, the day is Tuesday. Make the column of words and meanings, and words column, as I always guide you, make the column of words smaller and meanings column will be wider, because words are smaller as compared to the meanings. Now today we'll attempt just 6 words meanings, because this much work I guess would be enough for you guys. Now write down the word wandered. Wandered means to walk purposelessly, यानी without any aim, to walk aimlessly, बगैर किसी मकसद के इधर उधर घूमना, ठीक है ना. Second one is still. Still means quiet or silent. Quiet means it's not quiet, it's quiet. Quiet means खामोश होना, silent होना, ठीक है. Third one is roared. Roared means a loud cry, ठीक है ना. A lion always roars, ठीक है ना. शेर गुर्राता है. रोड मीन्स गुर्राना. फोर्थ वन इज मटर्ड, MUTTERED, मटर्ड. मटर्ड मीन्स टू स्पीक वर्ड्स विद अ लो वॉइस, यानी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कुछ बोलना, मटरिंग करना. यू रिमेंबर दैट द लेपर्ड वॉज मटरिंग इनटू इट्स माउथ व्हेन ही सॉ द लायन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, ठीक है ना. Okay, fifth one is cheekily, CHEEKILY. cheekily means rudely, without showing any respect, ठीक है ना, यानी बदतमीज़ी से किसी से बात करना और बिहेव करना. Sixth one is pretended, PRETENDED, pretended. Pretended means to show a false appearance. Appearance spelling is, to show a false spelling is FALSE, false, and appearance spelling is APPEARANCE, appearance, ठीक है ना. टू शो अ फॉल्स अपीयरेंस यानी यानी झूठी चीज़ दिखाना, अपने आप को झूठा शो करना, जो आप हैं वो नहीं शो करना. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गुड एंड यू आर प्रिटेंडिंग योर सेल्फ टू बी गुड, दैट इज़ प्रिटेंडेड. और इफ़ यू आर हैप्पी बट इनसाइड योर if you are sad but and you show yourself to be happy, so that is what we say pretended. Okay, I guess class 3 this much work is enough for you guys. Inshallah in the next coming class we'll complete the words meanings more, and maybe we'll come towards the question answers. Till then, you people take a very good care of your health and meet you soon inshallah in the physical classes. Take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.